Welcome to Daily Auto Tips, your car care start here. Today, I'm sharing 7 essential winter car maintenance tips to help you stay safe and avoid headaches when temperatures drop and roads get slick. At number 1, check your fluids. Cold weather can thicken old oil, causing sluggish engine performance, and a low coolant level or improper antifreeze mixture can lead to frozen or overheated engines. Make sure your ice and rust fighting mix is topped up, and the oil is fresh and winter appropriate for your vehicle. And don't forget to use washer fluid rated for freezing temperatures to help keep your windshield clear. At number 2, get your battery tested and ready. Battery capacity drops dramatically in the cold, and starting issues are common when below freezing. Have your battery load tested before winter hits, especially if it's a few years old, and make sure its connections are clean and tight to maximize reliability. At number 3, give your tires the attention they deserve. Cold air causes tire pressure to fall, about 1 psi for every 10 degrees Fahrenheit, so check and inflate them monthly. Inspect the tread, and if you live where snow and ice are common, consider installing winter tires. They offer much better grip than all-season options. At number 4, replace the wiper blades. Visibility on winter roads is critical. Replace worn wiper blades with heavy-duty or winter-specific ones that resist ice buildup. Keep your windshield washer reservoir full with freeze-resistant fluid, and consider treating the glass with a water repellent to make scraping easier and reduce glare. At number 5, replace the bulbs. Lights and visibility aren't just about night driving, they're about safety in all winter conditions. Clean and inspect your headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and tail lights to ensure every light is working and clearly visible. Make sure nothing is obstructing them so that others can see you clearly. At number 6, check the drive belt and hoses. Inside your engine bay, pay attention to belts, hoses, and your heating system. Cold makes these components brittle and more prone to failure. Check belts and hoses for cracks, leaks, or wear. And test the heater and defroster now. There's nothing worse than a fogged-up windshield on a cold morning when your system isn't up to the task. Finally, at number 7, assemble a winter emergency kit and store it in your car. Include essentials like an ice scraper, snow brush, jumper cables, a flashlight, blankets, snacks, and water, traction aids such as sand or kitty litter, and anything else you might need if you're stranded or delayed in winter conditions. If you have found this informative, consider subscribing to more daily auto tips.